Okay. Let's move further. Now, a very curious question come across to all of you, right? Just pay attention onto the screen. Very focused. Why embedded system never sleep? Now, my question is very simple to all of you. You have come across all the machines, right? You have come across all the machines like smartphone, washing machine, television, uh, everything, your microwave oven, every smart device, all the machines, your debit card, your credit card machines, everything, right? So my question, as you supplied power onto your device, why your device never sleep? What is the purpose behind it? Tell me. Why embedded system never sleep?
एम्बेडेड सिस्टम सिर्फ माइक्रो कंट्रोलर रेसिपी बुक सीखने का मतलब नहीं है। अगर आप एम्बेडेड सिस्टम को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखना चाहते हैं तो फंडामेंटल से लेकर प्रैक्टिकल हैंड्स ऑन और प्रोजेक्ट तक कंप्लीट लर्निंग मैप मैंने तैयार किया है। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक चेक करो।
See, very simple question to all of you. Just try to understand. All of us, suppose in requirement of sleep, right? Our human brain also in need of sleep, right? In the night time, all of human body, even the animal body, requires sleep to get rest. But as you awake in the morning, from then to the very end of the night, all of your body parts, whether they are outside or inside, are supposed to perform their task very honestly, like your brain, your heart, your nerves, your nose, your eyes. Never ever sleep. If they get sleep, body is not more. Right. So I want to ask, what is the science behind that? Tell me the science behind the RTOS, real time operating system. Dear, you are very advanced right now. Let's explore. Application is large. No. Okay, let's explore. Let's explore. See, very simple question to all of you. Just give me the answer. Have you ever come across like your smartphone or your washing machine give you an instruction, I am not in the mood to work? Anytime any of the device will supposed to give you a behavior like I am not in the mood to work, like your smartphone is supposed to tell you I am not in the mood to make a call, your washing machine asks you I am not in the mood to wash your clothes, your television supposed to ask you I am not in the mood to watch videos for you, play videos for you. Same for your smartwatch, same for your car. Is it possible? No. Yes, very perfect. So this is the science behind. See, when you get the clear hands-on in embedded system, what is the purpose of you in industry? Why industry pay you in the for your work? What is the work for you? To design machines, and machine would be any machine would be designed such that never get sleep. If the machine will get sleep, then there is no use for you to work in the industry. The wrong behavior is being designed by you then, right? So your smart watch never sleep. Unless you power on, they work until the power gets down, right? Same for your Wi-Fi router. Does any time your Wi-Fi router ask you, I am not in the mood to work for you? No, never. Your car checks surrounding every second when you are supposed to driving. Right? Every machine work very honestly, continuously, unless you power on. Right? But how do machines stay continuously active? That is the question which will be supposed to ask by you people. Right? That is the question. So the answer is here. Your brain never stop observing. Your brain is continuously working even in your sleep mode, right? Eye scan, brain process, reflex action, react, repeat forever. So this is the answer. Till now, I haven't get the answer from any of the student. The hint is being given to all of you. The repeat forever process, and that is the looping. The correct answer is the looping, right? The correct answer is the looping. Your eyes, brain, reflex action, everything will be work very, very beautifully. The answer is looping, right? And now let's explore how it will be carried on. Yes, this is the pattern while one. So let's understand it very, very clearly. Do you know C language? Quickly tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, quickly. So have you come across the while loop? Have you all come across the while loop? Yes, yes, yes. Now tell me, what is the syntax of while loop? Quickly in the chat box. Quickly. Let's see who will be supposed to answer very quickly. I request all of the students, all of the participants to please engage in the session. That will be supposed to help by you. No one will be supposed to judge you, right? My team is recording who will be supposed to engage in the session, and a beautiful gift will be disclosed later in the session for the engagement of participants. While condition statement, perfect, very, very perfect. So may I ask you students, answer while condition statement. Perfect, perfect. These are the statements, right? Now may I ask you, what is the behavior of this while loop? So the behavior is, unless the condition get fail, your statement will continue process. Like, like. This is your statement 1, 2, 3, 4. So one process, then two, then three, then four, again one, then two, then three, then four, then again back to jump one, then four, then one. This is how process being carried on, and that is what you're looping, right? And it will continue forever till the condition gets failed, right? Till the condition gets failed. Unless the condition gets failed, your process is being carried on, right? So who is the decision making here? The condition. Am I right or not? Tell me. Tell me quickly. Am I right or not? Unless the condition will get fail, your looping carried on, right? This is how behavior work, right? That is what we call looping, right? Okay, perfect. Just a second, I'll erase screen for all of you to make things very, very clear. Yeah, yeah. So just try to understand now, students. Unless the condition gets failed, your statement is being carried on. Now, the very perfect thing here is the condition. If I will put here 1, then the beauty is come. That is what you call embedded C. The 1 here defines the behavior that makes continuity. Now try to understand the answer of the question which I am supposed to ask all of you. Why your smartphone or your washing machine or your any of the device never ever say I am not in the mood to work? Because everything will be designed under this while one. What is the meaning of while one? Forever loop. As you power on, your forever loop comes into the picture and perform their task beautifully and honestly. So, while one is the loop which gives the behavior of continuity foreverness, right? Now, hopefully, the reason behind never ever stopping of any of the system is very, very clear to you. That is the answer to all of your questions, right? The while one, always sensors will be checked, right? You can see on the screen, sensors always check data process, decisions making under the category of while one. That is gives you a behavior of continuity. This is the reason behind every device that it will work forever. So you as an engineer will design the behavior of any machine under this while one, right? Under the category of while one. The loop is alive forever. Your smartphone checks, process, react. This loop carried on until the behavior of power on. Check, process, repeat. Check, process, repeat. Right. This is foreverness, which comes by the beauty of while one. Right. Now you can see health tracking, never miss. Why? Because loop is running. No breaks are there. Because the behavior of while one. Temperature watching every degree. Continuity. Because everything will be right under while one. Right. Obstacle never blinks, never misses because you will get under while one. Right. So now try to understand every machine in embedded system will write their behavior in while one. Motion detection always active in the machine. Right. While one. Everything in embedded system right under the category of while one. Every pattern. Check, process, design, repeat forever. This is how embedded system behave. So you will get the very, very fundamental clarity on embedded system that everything will be decided under while one. And without this loop, system completely die. Till loop is running, tracking, cooling, scanning, watching, every sensor is working beautifully. But as the loop die, system die completely. Right. Now we will move to very, very important thing further. The parts. Like I tell you, human body is completely aligned with embedded system. Right. Right. Human body is completely aligned with embedded system. Now, you all are aware of human body parts, right? But can you tell me what are the parts of embedded system? Now, it is very, very clear to understand the parts. The while one is the very first behavior that combine all the parts.